Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make soup chicken full guide. Start by prepping 1 whole chicken or 3 pounds of bone in pieces and trim excess fat. Chop onion, carrot, and celery into large chunks and crush garlic lightly. Add cold water to cover the chicken, then bring to a gentle simmer and skim foam for a clear broth. Keep heat low and cook slowly for deep flavor and tender meat. Make your stock the backbone of the soup by starting cold and bringing to a slow simmer, not a boil. Use bones and meat with a little fat for richer mouthfeel, and keep skimming foam in the first 20 minutes to avoid cloudiness. Add whole spices like peppercorns and bay leaf, plus parsley stems for freshness. Simmer for at least 1 hour, or up to 3 for more depth, then strain and reserve the liquid and meat. Finish the soup by returning shredded chicken to the strained broth and simmering with your chosen vegetables. Add carrots, celery, and small pasta or rice in sequence so everything finishes together, typically cooking grains for 10 to 15 minutes. Adjust seasoning with salt and a splash of lemon juice or vinegar for brightness, and stir in fresh herbs like parsley or dill at the end. Serve hot with crusty bread or crackers for a comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.